Hello, this is Zhen Technology Company for the KF94 heirloom machine. Okay, in this heirloom machine, you can look our use the 10 servo motor for this machine to check and make this speed can run the 114 piece in the 1 minute. This 3 servo motor is control this welding body, and we make the 4 servo motor in this side to control the cleaner to take the air loop and put the air loop to got the welding. We also make the 2 servo motor in this side to take out the air loop from this. And in this air loop taking the system, we have the 2 step-by motor in this side. And this step-by motor using this 1 hour the air loop, 1 hour the air well, put in this, and we take this side, and this motor will run. So now have the 9 servo motor in this machine. The last servo motor is this side. This one is the last servo motor. This servo motor is controller this master check. When we go to master for this, and this servo motor will move and go. And that well, we add the air consistent in this. This can take the air in this side. So it's better that we give the air to controller this scissor take out and take in. And our ultrasonic used in this is the magic. We will use the 2 sets the ultrasonic in this machine, and this is the 15,000 and 10,600 watt. And this side is our touch tool. We have the English, coin, and the 12. And this side is our power box. You can look, we use the 10 step the servo motor in this side, and we use the news program for this machine to keep the high speed and very stable. This 2 is the standby model for this, and this 10 servo motor the driver. And this one is our PLC. We use the Zhen PLC.